Why do 70% of new affiliate marketers struggle? Because they don't know this one simple trick. First things first, sign up at moreniche.com as an affiliate. They have hundreds of fitness products. Imagine earning a 40% commission on a $150 product. That's $60 in your pocket every sale. Next, head over to newlockaibot.com and access ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT for 10 benefits of doing push-ups daily. Easy, right? Now, go to invideo.io and use those points to create a video. Just paste the text and click Create. Boom! You've got an amazing video ready to go. Finally, upload your video to Pinterest or YouTube. Don't forget to include your affiliate link. Watch as free traffic floods in and your commissions soar. And there you have it. Making $1,000 a day is within your reach. Start now and see the magic happen.